Hey, Spencer.
Hey, Cindy.
Hey. I got an email from Grace Davis. You and I need to sit down sometime and have a little visit. I'll pull up the questions and we'll do that.
I saw that. Okay.
So, what does your schedule look like?
This week I don't have anything going on, so whatever time works best for you.
Okay. I'm meeting with a couple kiddos through Zoom tomorrow, one at 10 and one at 12, I think. But I'll get with you and we'll figure that out.
I was going to tell you, I already changed that part D when I read it again from last night.
You did?
Yeah. I was like, that's not what it's asking. And then part E, I didn't write anything because I know there's so many things that I'm just going to read what the kids say.
Well, that's what I did on the graphs.
Yeah.
A lot of that, I just put C students' answers. So I was just sitting here right now checking your section 2.3. Everything I see so far looks just fine.
Yeah, that's why I didn't put anything on the 2.3 on number 4. I'm just going to look and see what they've got.
Right. Agreed.
Done their own thing.
Yeah.
Correctly.
Yeah. Everything else is good though. On 2.3 is all good. So we are good. Hey, Galen.
Hey.
Who are we with?
Paul said he wouldn't be able to join today. He told me that earlier, so.
Yeah, he told me that too, so we're good. You driving?
Yeah.
Gayla and Cindy, I just now finished stuff for daily next week. If y'all want to go look at mine and see if you like it before I post it to yours, or if you want to post it to yours, either way is fine. But there's a geometric, and then there's a 1 10-minute video that they're going to watch on the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio, one of the ones that you had them watch for pre-cal.
Okay.
It's one that the artist is talking instead of because I started listening to the TED Talk and I was like, this is interesting. Maybe they'll watch that. But then the TED Talk one got a little too mathy and a little less look in nature. So I changed it to the look in nature one.
There you go. That's fine. Now, go ahead and post it to mine.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do mine. If you want to, you can do mine too.
Woohoo!
Just make sure you check your due dates and your point values. Yes. Anything different than 2 points for them.
Got it.
Okay. And I should finish up pre-AP today for next.
Awesome.
Let's see. So who have we got? We missing anybody? Nope. Okay.
That's good.
So where are we? What do we need to talk about? This is just kind of our weekly check-in. Emily, where are you?
We're still just plugging away. We're gonna time it out to finish rationals, radicals by the end of the year. So we're having them take notes on the focus areas, on the resources. Honestly though, my Algebra 2 engagement has been abysmal. Like 3 of my students doing anything. So it's hard to feel super motivated to put a lot together for their class. Mm-hmm. Like for Algebra 1 and Geometry, I've been doing Zoom help sessions and kids have been logging on and asking questions, and I have a lot more emailing me, and Algebra 2 is just like nothing. So that's
you have a lot of
where
seniors?
Yeah, but quite more juniors than seniors. So I don't know.
Well, yeah.
I had four of 24 turn in what was due today for daily.
4 of 24.
And I mean, my class is a daily class too, so I don't know if
I mean, I'm not surprised because they got whatever they wanted to get their grade, and you know.
Yep.
Yeah, I think a lot of mine were happy with their grade the way it was, and once, I don't know, it's just hard to motivate them. So that's where I am with Algebra 2.
Yeah. Spencer, where are you?
So this week, we're doing graphing lines review and evaluating piecewise. And then next week, we're graphing piecewise, linear, and quadratic. And then after that, if there's time, I guess there'll be what is that? Will there be 1 week left after next week? I don't.
Yes, we have
Yes.
2 more weeks.
So I'll either have to do the sequence and series or the review, essential standard stuff, or a combination of both that last week. But I'm on piecewise right now, finishing it up.
Spencer, I'm just going to have about 3 class periods, maybe 4 on sequences.
Okay.
So they would just get the very basic introductory stuff.
Yeah, I didn't plan on going just super into depth with that. So I'm like exactly a week behind you, I think, when I was looking at your classroom. So I just won't spend a lot of time on sequence and series, and it'll be fine.
I'm sure you can use the stuff that I have for series if you want to look at it.
I probably
Go in depth at all, but it's pretty straightforward.
I probably will, because I don't really have anything on sequence and series, and I don't want to go too far into it. So I'll probably.
We figured that sigma notation, probably not a good idea.
Probably not.
Spencer, are you on Gayla's daily 1, 2, where you can look at them? Or do I need to add you to mine?
I think I'm just on your EOD, Gayla.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll add you to my daily and you can look at them and see if there's something you want to use.
Okay, thanks.
What, in the faculty meeting that we had, grades are due the 5th, or the last day of class is the 15th. But then it was like supposed to do fun stuff the next week or something. What was that about?
I thought it said we had until the next week to turn grades in, though, so students could
Okay.
like catch up on things if they needed to. That's what I heard, but I don't know.
So that last week, so what, the 18th to the 22nd or whatever, is just, didn't it say something like?
I think district-wide, they said, like, you're not supposed to, I'm assuming that came down from the district, because I know, like, my roommate at the 2nd grade, even, that 15th is their last day of instruction. And so I think the high school had already pushed out the engagement points, and then we're told by the district that we're done on the 15th now. So,
Okay. Okay.
I mean, the thing that I'm thinking about doing on that last week, if we're still supposed to post something that's not new material or something like that, is I'll probably just do a survey that I do at the end of the year anyway.
Oh, yeah.
What can we do better next year? What did you like about this class? What did you not like? I asked ATM kids that already because this is their last week.
Mm-hmm.
And one of them, I asked how we could improve ATM next year, and they said, don't let Corona shut it down. So apparently I have influence over that. But that'll probably be what I do that last week, is just ask them to take a little survey like I normally do anyway.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, it is.
Just full of those, I guess.
Was there anything we need to talk about then? We all know where we're going through next week.
Yeah, I feel good about stuff.
Okay. Just the participation.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay. Anybody got anything?
No.
All right. Well, it's good to see y'all.
And do you want to talk pre-cal for a second?
Sure. Okay, anything else? Last call. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Sandy, just before you get off, did you watch the AP webinar last night?
No, it was during the tornado warning.
Well, I was watching it in my closet. It's got a lot of good information that they're going to need.
Good. Well, they posted a thing this morning, so it's on demand now. So yeah, that's part of my afternoon project. Okay, good. So you
Okay.
want to watch it in your closet?
Yeah, I got all my devices ready, and then the sirens went off, and I had my little safe space ready, so I just went in there and had a little watching party.
Oh, that's
Awesome.
funny.
All right. See you later.
Bye, guys.
Yes.
See you guys.
Oh my.
Here, hang on. Let me stop recording.
Okay.